Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and prepping hardware. Charge both keyboard and mouse above 50%, then switch them on. Once done, put wireless devices into pairing mode. For wired models, plug in an OTG adapter and connect the cable. You must also open settings on the tablet and go straight to Bluetooth or USB preferences so the device can be discovered. Make sure airplane mode is off and Bluetooth is visible. This initial alignment avoids wasted retries and speeds the connection process. You now connect and configure. Tap the keyboard or mouse name in Bluetooth and accept any pairing code shown, typing it on the keyboard if required. For USB, accept the on-screen prompt to use OTG. Once paired, go to Input or Keyboard Settings to select the correct layout and language, and adjust repeat rate if keys feel slow. For mice, set pointer speed and enable tap-to-click if needed. These steps align software behavior with your hardware for smooth typing and pointing. You finish by testing. Open a text app and type every important key, check modifiers, and move the pointer through menus and links to ensure responsiveness. Once done, save power settings and enable auto reconnect so Bluetooth devices pair automatically next time. If keys are mismapped, switch keyboard layout or install a simple remapping app. For persistent USB detection issues, disconnect and reconnect the OTG cable. Troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails, forget the device on the tablet and the accessory, then reboot both and retry the pairing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.